How to change default search engine on your Chrome browser. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make Google make your Google search default search engine. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open the Google Chrome here first. So guys, here you can see this is my Chrome browser, and this is by default my Google search. You can see this Google logo here. If I search something on my search bar, it will be by default search in Google only. Okay, so it is search on Google only. So if you have any different search engine like DuckDuckGo and any other, and you want to make the Google only by default, so there is one process I will show you. So first, what you need to do, just come to the your right upper corner, just click on this three-letter dot, go to the settings, and here at your left side you will see the option bar here, side bar, and here you can see the search engine option. Okay, so you can see this is search engine used in address bar. So here you can see the option called Google. Just you have to hit the Google only. Now go to the manage search engine and site search, and here see the if there is Google. In my case you can see Google is my default. If you don't have Google as a default, then make it. How can make it? Just click on this three dot option. I will show you I will show you to make Bing by default. Just click on three dot and just make default. You can see Bing is my default search engine, so same as I have to make is Google as a default. Okay, or anyhow if you have delete this Google, so you can add. Okay, so you can see there is no any option to add. I just delete this one. If I delete this info, you can see there is no any option to add again info.com. so what you need to do, edit any search engine here and change the name Google, and address bar also change the Google. Okay, actually we have already Google in list, that's why it is showing the address. You have to just change the Google and just save it. Okay, there is a URL only also. Okay, sorry guys, there you can't change like this. Okay, Google 100% there, just make it default like this. Okay, so that is how you can make Google search engine default. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.